Good morning. Another day, another lesson to learn. I am Novi Tubaan Tamparong, a second-year college student taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. In this video, I am going to tackle the basic grammar rules of prescriptive grammar. What is prescriptive grammar? Prescriptive grammar is also called normative grammar. Normative grammar refers to a set of rules governing how a language should or should not be used rather than describing how a language is used. Basically, prescriptive grammar has 6 basic grammar rules, but in this video, I am going to discuss 5 of them, namely: first, the run-on sentences, sentence fragments, subject-verb agreement, plural and possessive, and lastly, the capitalization rules. First, we have run-on sentences. It is sometimes called a fused sentence. It has at least 2 independent clauses but not properly connected nor divided into sentences. One common type of run-on sentence is a comma splice. A comma splice occurs when 2 independent clauses are joined with just a comma. For example of a comma splice, participants could leave the study at any time they needed to indicate their preference. In this situation, you can correct it by putting a period and making it a 2 sentences. For example, sentence 1, participants could leave the study at any time. Sentence 2, they needed to indicate their preference. Sentence fragments. Fragments are incomplete sentences. These are sentences that have been disconnected from independent clause. For example, because of the rain. On its own, because of the rain doesn't form a complete thought. It leaves us wondering what happened because of the rain. To complete it, we need further explanation. For example, because of the rain, the party was cancelled. Now, the fragment has become a dependent clause attached to a sentence that has a subject, the party, and a verb, was cancelled. Our thought is complete. Subject-verb agreement. Subjects and verbs must agree with one another in numbers. It's either singular or plural. Thus, if the subject is singular, use a singular verb. If the subject is plural, use a plural verb. Example, the child plays the doll. Notice that I am using a singular subject, which is the word child. Therefore, the verb will be singular also, the word plays. Lastly, the capitalization rules. The words that needs to be capitalized are the following: don't forget to capitalize the personal pronoun I. Capitalize a letter salutation and closings when a proper name is not used. Capitalize initials, initialisms, and acronyms. Names of planets must be capitalized.